press?
This is
First time I
this is the third operation, and it is the last. With two strong men,
Yeah.
must be strong, because one from here and one from the other side. I give, and he gave me, like this, okay? Now, a way to open. Here I have this to hold it, like this. Here. It's made of palm leaf, from the palm, they make it. And I have nearly 10 to 15 pieces of this here, okay? This is the first level, for example. I put, after I got the mesh from the olive, I put it into this one, above, you know, here. And I cover it with another piece of, like, similar like this one, here. Okay, I cover this. If I have 2 kilos, 3 kilo, 4 kilo, I have to make it between this and the other here. Okay? And then I press with this way. Here. Very strong, okay? Like this.
Well, the more you press, the more you get
More you
olive oil.
press, more you get oil.
Yeah.
And I keep it for at least 1 hour. From stone,
Yeah.
it's a granite stone. And
Why do you need?
This one.
Why do you need granite
This hole.
stone? Yeah.
Because granite stone is very smooth and very clean. Here, this one.
But it's not clean. It's not.
No, it's not clean.
But it's not smooth either.
No, because here it's old, and they don't clean it.
Oh, it's not.
You see? There's
It's
oil
dust.
from the dust come through the oil clean, but they don't clean it because they left it. They use the chemical, and after 1 hour, you know, they press very strong, so they come again after 1 hour. They move the oil into a pot, pot, and they press once again. They do it again like this. So you see, they do it very strong again. They keep it for 1 more hour again, and then like palm. If you look at it, it's palm, but it have different fruit. Big like this.
What's the fruit?
It's not. It's I don't know fruit or. But we eat it sometimes, and sometimes we...
Coconut. You have milk.
No milk inside. It have only very big seed, but the skin from outside, and it's different.
Oh, doom.
Dome. We call it.
We don't have it.
We said in Arabic dome.
Yeah. No. So, which tree is? So that's olive tree.
No,
what is olive tree?
Olive tree.
Yes.
This is acacia.
Yes.
And this is dome.
Dome. And what's on the bottom?
In the bottom is acacia.
2 acacia. And what's the the middle piece is all made of
the middle piece.
The whole thing, yes.
Is this one?
Yeah.
This is
acacia. Dome.
This is not dome.
Ah, it's not.
It's not.
What's that?
It's different. This make hole inside. They just put this
but what's
into
that?
This one.
But what is it?
This one is acacia. Acacia. So dome, acacia, and olives.
Olives.
From the palm tree.
Yeah, but why?
Palm leaf.
Palm, why
because
that?
The palm leaf, when you it have holes between, you know. When you press the oil very well, the oil goes through. Like this.
Okay.
You see?
Yeah, I know. And what else?
But this is become old and not clean.
Yeah, no.
So
but
you don't see the holes.
Okay, but what else? What's the other reason?
What?
It goes through, but what is the other reason?
Another reason. It's strong.
It's strong.
Yeah,
and
it's strong. And when it's soft, you know, for example, if you use closes, have the closes, it's easy also to have the juice from it.
But does it keep also? Was it capable of keeping the olives from running away, from falling up? You know, you see what I'm asking? Don't understand.
To fall down, you mean?
Yes,
This and this?
Yeah.
No, because it have no something from here. So you put the olive here, and you know. Until this area.
Yeah. Okay.
Here, and this part will be like here. Look at it. How many holes inside?
Yeah.
You see? You see the holes or you don't?
Yeah. Yeah, I see.
Now you see? Clear? This is where they put the olive. You see how it works? It's deep a little bit. So they put olives here. They throw. They don't collect this part. Okay? And then they bring this one and they cover. Here, with this way. They cover, you see? And they fill it and they close. And they take 2 or 3 with my hand like this and they put it in. And the way the way they use this one, this is made of palm, okay? Look here how it's working. I can broke it because now it is break. It's not soft because if it's wet with water or with oil, I can't broke it with my hand. Never, even if this, because this is separate. This from here to here, and from here to here, from here to here, and then they join together with like this, with this rope. You see, it's also made from palm leaf, from palm. This one.
For palm leaves.
They make rope like this from palm. They swing. When you swing closes, when you have closes broken.